Hello. If you're a company that is looking to switch over to a financial solution that also has inventory management and supply chain management, as well as some light manufacturing, SAP Business One is a good product for you. As far as financials, it is a GAAP compliant system where you have all real-time financial reporting and other capabilities as well, and we'll see how it's tracked the movements on the general ledger account here in the system. As far as inventory management, we have an item master data that stores all item information as well as warehouse details. I'll pull up an item within my system to give you an example. Here's an example of my motherboard item. We have ability to handle items for batch, lot traceability, serialized, or none managed, as well as in our inventory data. I can always see, based off of all my warehouse locations, what's in stock, committed, ordered, or available. For real traceability, I can search, for example, a batch managed solution and see the overall batch transaction report for this item. By right-clicking on the document, I can view my overall batch number transaction report, which will show me every batch detail that's been in and out of inventory and the batch information up top. I also have the ability to right-click on the document and view an inventory audit report that will show me all the postings that occurred for this item when I expand here. So it's good traceability for supply chain. As far as work orders, Business One handles great. We can do production orders in our production section, and everything is handled based off of a bill of material. If I pull up an example of a bill of material here, for instance, maybe I want to use my overall pump here. I can see the bill of materials that populate as far as components. I have the ability to do a production bill of material, sales kitting, assemble to stock, and template for special production orders. It also handles route stages as well as resources and item line level. Let me pull up an example of a bill of material that has resources so you can see everything that's tracked. Here's a resource where I can go into my resource master data and see all the capacity that's handled. And finally, from a financial and work document flow, I have the ability to pull up an invoice. For example, this is any document within the system. And I can see the overall relationship map that took place from document flow and traceability, as well as journal entry posting details from the financial side. This concludes my video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.